How to maintain your safety razor. You know, I'm not very good at it, I'll be dead honest. I tend to let my razor rot in the shower. But the reality is, from a cleanliness perspective, you really want to do this. If you have sensitive skin, you want to keep your razor clean. Nothing's going to happen to the razor. Again, we designed it that way, but this video is going to show you a couple of tips on how to keep your razor clean. Our safety razors are designed with premium materials, so we assumed you wouldn't be doing much maintaining with them, but a couple of tricks and a couple of things you must consider is, one, rinse with fresh water. Some of my enthusiasts, or if you have sensitive skin, consider taking the razor apart and letting it dry. A couple of things you want to do when you maintain your safety razor. Cup of soap, hot soapy water. I recommend Dawn dish soap, and it really does a good job of removing grime. In terms of tools, trusty soft toothbrush is really what you want to use. That will allow you to get into all the little crevices in and around your safety razor. Another little tip and trick, get yourself a little piece of balsa wood. Balsa wood is a great tool when it comes to polishing, but also for cleaning. The beauty about balsa wood is that it's really, really soft and it's not very inclined to scratch your finish. You can use a couple of different polishes. I tend to like a Cape May polish. And the beauty about that is it comes preloaded with a little bit of polish on the razor, impregnated in it. And what you do is you simply wipe it on. You wipe off any of those fine scratches or any dirt, and then you wipe it off with a clean cloth. Works great, adds a lot of brightness to both stainless and copper. Other tips and tricks that I recommend about cleaning your safety razor is soak it in alcohol. That's a great way to not sterilize it, but remove a lot of bacteria. When you have some tough material like 316L, it'll take the beating.